I'm up here, and this is pretty high and scary. This is pretty high too. You wanna look, guys? Now, that's pretty cool. I came up from over here. I'll show you guys how to get down. And that's my family over there being real loud. I think I'm gonna go up this trail a little bit. This is not the right trail, but I just want to see what's up here. Yeah, just keep on going. Oh, it goes up there. That's cool. Okay, let's go back down. Going down. Coming up here. Going right here. Right there. Ho ho, I'm up here.
I need help, people. Adventure car safety.
Look over there.
Oh, you got a hero coming.
That's where I came from over there.
All
All right to here. I'm up there. Let's go explore some more. Woo! Oh, let's go here. Oh, this is cool, guys. What's up here? See if I can come up here. What you guys said? I'm trying to make it up there, but I couldn't. I'm up here. Let's try to get down. Go over here. Look at that. Look at that. Look, see, the light ricochets off that and hits that. That's pretty cool. Coming up here? Let's see what's up here. Making it up here. Let's go check and see what's up there. This is really slick. Okay, there's a hole back there, but it's really dark, and I forgot my flashlight, so I can't go to it. But now I just gotta get back down and we'll hike more of the trail. See? That's pretty cool. Look at the creek. Look, see the cool creek? Look up there. That's pretty cool. So many cool off trails like this, and they just go up into little caves. There's a little cave up there. So cool. Going up the trail. Pretty cool. Sorry about that. Going up here. Meet you on the. Look at that. That was pretty cool, guys. Let's go get up to my family. Fun hiking experience. Next time I'll get to use is if there's a cool spot, or just we're at the water spot. That's cool. Big good camping spot. That's pretty cool. It is cool. That's cool. Oh, tripped. Lost. Look at that. Minnows. Sorry about the noise, guys. 2 minutes. It's really low today. See the dragonfly? It's really cool. Look at this. It's pretty cool and scary. Look back there. Pretty cool, but it's really cold. Hopefully there's no turtles. So guys, just climbing to the high spot and see you next vlog or hiking trail or camping trip, don't know. See you guys later on Jacob Survival. Look at this trail though. Down here. Where this rock is. Down there. It's cool. Thank you guys for watching.